Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time, welcome. Glad to have you here. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to get a little artistic, I guess. I've got an old clothes hanger that this is half of it. The other half, which is just a round circle, broke off. But at any rate, we're going to build that. New hangers for these in a steampunky kind of look. Out of these two. Let's get started. There we go. The two hangers done. This one can rotate, doesn't matter. So we just have a center hole. This one needs two holes to hold it and to keep it from rotating. Thanks for watching.